going to skip right over the introduction and go directly to the videos. And I want to tell you right up front that every link you see here or any future page links out to a bunch or a set of videos or a specific video or a document or documents that have examples that work. So the videos will be a mixture of my YouTube channel, which is dedicated to LinkedIn, but also has videos on how to sell to higher end clientele. And then the bottom few, BS tests, emotional resonance, visual emails, are from Justin Michael, a colleague of mine, whose background is he has been in corporate sales for LinkedIn and for Salesforce, and over the years has sent 6 million emails and messages. So you can count on those videos being short, sweet, to the point, and make you money. On the left side here, we have messaging. I'm including all the messaging examples that I have used over the years that worked for me personally, and also those that have worked for any of my clients that were in my coaching program for the LinkedIn strategy. They are in all sorts of different industries, but they were also very successful messaging examples. Then also LinkedIn Power Messaging, again, is Justin Michael. And those have literally 5x'd my results on referrals and sales on LinkedIn. So I pay quite a good attention to that. And then I did summarize the book that Justin Michael wrote called Tech Powered Sales. And that specifically has to do with reaching out to people digitally, but very specifically messaging and email and exactly what to do and what not to do. On the right side, we have resources. And I am suggesting that the automation software you use is Linked Helper. I have no affiliation with them. I am a very, very tech-oriented person, have been for many, many years. And this is by far the best software or app out there. And on top of everything else, it is only $15 a month. So you can use it the rest of your life or business life for $15 a month. It allows you to reach out to about 3,000 or more targeted potential clients on LinkedIn every month. I have some LinkedIn strategy instructions, Linked Helper strategy instructions, and also examples of powerful profiles. And if you see down the bottom here, there's some big companies using Linked Helper. So that gives it the credibility. I would say Zoom, Microsoft, Amazon, et cetera, et cetera. On the left side here, we have the LinkedIn industry list. Not available on the internet. I've never seen it again on the internet. I got my hands on it years ago. It shows you 158 different categories that you can target audience for yourself that you can choose from. On the right side, the resources. Once you get into a referral relationship with somebody or get into business with somebody, these are the type of alliances that you can create. And the LinkedIn strategy questionnaire is just a random, or not random, but examples of questions you could ask the person that you're speaking to about their business, but really don't have to. If it was my suggestion, I would say just be yourself, find out everything you can about their business and how you can help them, and also tell them everything about your business and how they can help you, and then get into that referral relationship. On the left side here, we have the resources for reaching out to high-end clientele. So when I was trying to reach out to higher-end clientele on LinkedIn and get into these referral relationships, these were the categories that I pursued. And very, very powerful right below that is you can target an audience that is local or in your state or nearby or wherever you want, but you can put owner, president, founder, and CEO. And you can also put owner and, let's say, mortgage company, owner and manufacturing. Very, very powerful search criteria. And also miscellaneous, military and veteran can be targeted also. And on the right side, last but not least, is the follow-up. First video is from Justin Michael and his very strong, hardcore follow-up. Also my video on how to follow up on LinkedIn, and a bunch of my LinkedIn follow-up examples that I have used over the years when somebody, I didn't sell them right away. And so I followed up with certain emails and examples that you'll see here. And that's it. Bottom line is I can only say that this is super, super powerful. It becomes super easy. It will not take up your time, probably 15 minutes a day. And I hope that you use this from beginning to end, everything that the tools I've given you here. And I wish you all the luck in the world and to make as much money as you possibly can through LinkedIn. I know I have, and I have trained or coached a bunch of others to do so.